Central Ware County in
northeastern Illinois until 11 p.m. Capable of producing a tornado was located near Manhattan. Moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated location. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs.
The John Tesh Radio Show.
This includes Governor State University, including the following interstate: Interstate 57 between mile markers 328 and 337. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.